KYHV Peak, located in Provo Canyon, Utah, offers an amazing riding experience in the fall as the landscape transforms into a vibrant tapestry of autumn colors. The peak, surrounded by the towering Wasatch Range, becomes the centerpiece of a stunning natural display during this season. The lower trails leading up to KYHV Peak are lined with dense groves of aspens, maples, and oaks, all ablaze in the brilliant hues of red, orange, and gold. Today, my goal is to make it to the summit at 8,000 feet and back before the sun sets, getting lots of Insta360 and drone video and pictures along the way. Keeping my fingers crossed, I set out for my first destination, a beautiful area I know from past photo and video shoots, about a quarter of the way up the top, called Buffalo Peak.
We have made it to our first destination, which is the area I take a lot of photographs in. It is the near quarter mark of the top of KYHV Peak. This used to be the main area of Squaw Peak, and it is just absolutely stunning. So I'm going to get some drone shots here. Here we are. All right, from here
You're not allowed to ride motorcycles up, so you got to walk up the rest of the way. I've been up here a few times. Not that bad of a hike, but in the middle of the day with all my gear, a little bit hot. In the springtime, this whole field is yellow flowers. We are at the top, and it is just a unbelievable view in all different directions. All right, so I got some drone shots. I'm heading back to the bike. This area is just so amazing. No matter what time of year you come here, you just find the most amazing stuff. The most amazing colors in the fall, the most amazing spring flowers in the spring. It's just absolutely phenomenal. Got to get up here, and I will put a link to this location on the bottom of this post. And we're off.
That is a beautiful view.
After this last stop, I was finally on the last leg of my adventure to get to KYHV Peak and see some amazing views.
This is a really cool view. You can see Up close you can see the scrub oak. In the distance you can see the aspens, and further out you can see the pines, and then further than that the mountain, and then the lake, and beyond that the west side of Utah Lake Mountains.
Riding around a corner on top of a grassy meadow, I finally saw my destination. KYHV Peak was before me.
We're going to get over here and get some shots in. Oh, someone left some wood.
All right, we made it to the top. This is, gosh, stunning. You need to be a poet to be able to talk about places like this. It's just so many different views, so many different directions. That direction, the city, and this direction, the beautiful fall colors, and just stunning in both directions. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. And as always, subscribe, follow me, and if you have any other places that you want me to ride to and video and photograph, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.